Here's a certified 2018 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Ecotec 3 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.